horizontal line measuring 5 centimeters. Draw your line first. Place a point at the beginning. Okay, that's 5. Okay, label. A, B, good. Okay, that's 5. Open your compass to AB. Get your compass, open your compass to the length of that. I'm gonna draw equilateral triangle.
This is not sticking.
Okay, scribe an arc above.
Like here?
Switch the compass point now to B. Scribe another arc to intercept the one, right, place a point where the arc intersect. Okay, so that would be C. So join C. So point C is right there. Join C to A and B alternatively. That's our equilateral triangle.
Stuck on the paper.
Very good. Now, we're going to draw a square. So, hold on. Slide your T-square down. Draw your baseline first. Each side is going to measure 5 centimeters. Place a point at the beginning and at the end of the line. Label AB. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to extend the line from A, very light. Extend a line going from A, no, with a T-square. Extend a construction line, very light. One from B. Okay, put your compass point. Open your compass to any convenient radius. We're going to describe semicircles using point A. Open your compass to about 2 centimeters. Or you could estimate it. About 2, close it. Okay, scribe a semicircle below.
Below, like this way?
Yeah, right, just like that.
Okay.
Okay, that's a semicircle. Do one at B now. Do a semicircle at B. You have to keep the compass the same radius as well. Very light, just do it lightly. Okay, place a point where the semicircle cuts. Yeah, say a pass. Okay. So you're gonna use these points now. Open your compass to any convenient length. Place your compass point right here. Open your compass. Any length, you're gonna scribe arcs above A. You're gonna scribe 2 arcs above A.
So from each side?
Yes, above A. So you use these points alternatively. One there. Nice, good. Okay, see, right? So do the same at B. Use the semicircle where the semicircle cuts. Okay, place a point where the arcs intersect. Okay, you're gonna use those points to extend vertical lines from A going up. And you have to measure them. We're constructing a square right now. Start from A, go up. You should pass through the midpoint at where the arcs intercept. Good. That's 5 centimeters.
From 5 to 10.
So each side of the square should measure 5. So she's using 5 as. So that's okay. That's 5 centimeters. Okay, you switch. Draw your line. Start from B now. Should pass through the center right there. Okay, what you could do, you could place a point. Okay, that's 5. And then use your T-square to connect. That's drawing a square using your compass. Brighten the sides, the 4 sides. So that's your square right there. Using arcs. Good. I'll write the title, square. You did right there, A, B, C, D. Alright, cool. Well, this could be C and this. Alright, anyway. We're gonna do the pentagon in that space, huh? So what are you gonna do first? For the pentagon? What do you think you're gonna do first? Draw the baseline, which is 5 centimeters. Use your T-square for the pentagon, 5 sides. So use your T-square. Okay. Now get your protractor. So the external angle for the what's the magnitude of the angles in for the external angles? 72 degrees. So we're going to use 72 degrees for the pentagon because 360 divided by 5, we get 72 degrees. Where did you start measuring from?
The A.
No, you place your compass point. Where did you put the protractor point?
The protractor is right here by A.
So you put the midpoint. Where's the midpoint of the protractor?
On the
Show us
A
the midpoint.
Right there.
That's the midpoint, right? So you match the
So you
midpoint
match it
with the
with-
baseline as well.
Yes.
Which zero you start reading from?
This one
So
on
zero.
the left
Count,
side.
yeah, count it. 0.
0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
10.
And then 72 would be here.
That's 72. Okay, so you place a point at 72 and then
Draw a line connecting the 2 points.
then you're gonna do what?
Measure the length of the sides.
Nice. What's the length of the side?
It's over
5?
5.
Yeah,
I'll just
yeah.
start from here because I
Okay.
can't see the edge of the 0.
Okay.
So it's gonna be 6 because of the thing. Okay, that's good.
That's 5.
Yeah.
So each side is measuring 5 centimeters as she's doing right there. That's 72, so you're gonna switch to B now. Do B first. I'm gonna show you a different technique. So you're gonna start reading from the 0 where?
On the
that
right
0,
side.
nice, okay.
So 10,
Zero-
20,
zero,
30,
30,
40, 50, 60, 70, and then
71,
72.
72.
It didn't point, but it's there.
Good. She's gonna match B with that 72 point. Okay. What you could do, you could use your T-square right here. Transfer this measurement going
Like,
across
draw it.
to cut the previous line on the other side. Nice. So where this line cuts, so place a point where that line cuts, right? So you don't have to measure twice, erase any extra line. Good. Now get your compass. Open your compass to one side of the hexagon. Open your compass to one side of the hexagon. One side, which is 5, right? Any side, open that. Okay, scribe an arc above that horizontal line. Up here.
Oh, this one?
Up above here. Switch the compass point to the other side. That side here. Scribe another arc. Okay, place a point where the arcs intersect. Join the rest of the side. That's your pentagon right there.
Angle.
72. So each angle has 72. Measure each side now and tell me if each side measure 5. Alright, put the heading on it, pentagon. So the radius of the circle is going to be 4 centimeters. Measure 4 centimeters from the center. So she put the 0 mark there, 0. Count, let them see, count.
Okay, so
0,
36
she used 36 as 0.
So
1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. Okay, good. Place a point there. Open your compass to that point, to the 4.
Fell.
So, yeah, open your compass to the... So the circle is drawn. The radius of the circle is equal to one side of your hexagon. How much side does a hexagon have?
6.
Yeah, a hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, open your compass to the radius of the circle, which you already have. So you're gonna place a point right here. That's A. Get B on the other side. No, the opposite, right? Then the vertical, C. And then D. Okay. Open your compass to the radius of the circle. Place your compass point at A. Describe an arc above A and below A. That's below A, yeah? To cut the circle. It should cut the circle, right? Just some short arcs. Very good. Place a point where the arcs cut the circle. Nice. Do the same thing at B. Place your compass point at B. Describe an arc above the circle, below the circle. Place a point where those arcs cut the circle. Okay, so join A to that arc, yeah? So join A to the bottom arc where the arc cuts the circumference of the circle. And join A to the top arc where it cuts. Do the same on the opposite side. Nice. No, where the arc cuts the circle.
Oh, sorry.
Erase that first. Erase that mistake first. It's where the arc cuts the circle. That's how we get the arcs. Very good. Now join the rest of it with your T-square or your straight edge or your ruler. Last time?
Yes, sir.
That's your hexagon. Now let's look at the heptagon quickly. Heptagon.
Nice.
So this is your hexagon. Heptagon now, draw your baseline, 5 centimeters. Very good. Place a point at the beginning and the end. Okay, each angle in the heptagon measures 51 degrees. You get your protractor. Match your protractor with the baseline. Yeah, 51 degrees.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then
51.
1.
Join that. Do the same on the other side. 51 degrees. And measure the sides. 0,
27.
1,
2, 3,
4, 5 centimeters. Place a point there first. Erase any extra.
I don't. Sure, please. I cannot handle my leg.
Alright, yeah, you could transfer that measurement across. You don't have to draw like, alright, go ahead. Alright, that's 5. It's a shortcut. Now you need to measure 51 degrees from both sides, from both those sides. So you have to put your protractor in line again. Yes, just like that. Turn your protractor just like that. Count 51. Where are you going to start counting from?
This side.
0, right?
Okay.
So show them.
0,
0,
10,
10,
20,
20,
30, 40, 50, and then 51.
51 right there. So you're going to join that point with the 51 right there.
And you can do the next. This side. We're going to start from this one.
Well, you notice the inside of this is always on the inside. It's always turned this way, okay? Good.
Okay,
So 0,
0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 51 is right there. So we're going to draw a line from that point connecting it to this one. And then we're going to take our
you're going to measure off.
ruler.
So, yeah, so each side measures 5 centimeters,
centimeters.
right?
So from starting from 28.
0,
So 0, 1, 2, 3. I mean 1, 2, 3.
No, 0.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna make a
You could transfer that measurement on the other side. Yeah.
You can transfer it.
Yeah, you don't have to draw a line, just use that
You
point.
don't have
Yeah.
to, but I do it because my mind works better that way.
Erase that horizontal line. So we just transfer that measurement using the put your protractor again, 51 degrees.
51, messed up. 51 degrees. Right there.
Join that. Next.
And then you're gonna do the
Measure.
same.
Measure that side first.
Oh,
5 centimeters.
I have a different thing. I was gonna like make them
No,
intersect.
measure 5 and then you just connect the last one. 0.
Okay, so from 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Okay, so you could just connect the last one manually because that's the last one. It's the last side. Which class you have next?
I have literature with Miss Lewis.
Okay, so this is your heptagon. Done.
Heptagon.
Heptagon. All sides measuring
5
5 centimeters. All right. You want to do the octagon quick?
I don't know if I can.
All right, cool.